Hi, my name's Ken Mathers and I'd like to demonstrate for you my what I call a parking motor system on a Kawasaki vn1500. It fits underneath the swing arm and is electrically operated by a 36 volt battery as used in e-bikes. So this is the system. I'll show it to you now. There we go. Right, the controls are here, mounted on the handlebars. As you can see, this button is my power on button, and as you can see by the display, it tells you full, half or empty on the battery state. This is my selector for forward or reverse. This underneath it, if you can see it there, is the throttle. It's extremely sensitive and the bike almost wheelies off when you operate it, as you will see later on. Right, well, to engage the system, I've got a couple of buttons here on the side panel. Not the final arrangement, but it'll do it for now. This button is power on, and when you press it and it comes on, this button lights up, and you also get a buzzer sounding, which is extremely annoying, but serves as a reminder that you need to disengage the system if you're going to ride away. And this is it underneath, at the moment shrouded in white plastic, but you'll just have to take my word for it. That's the system, and you can see the rear wheel, so when I engage it, the rear wheel will spin. So here we go, power on, engaging the system. I can hear when it's fully engaged. That's it. Right, now power on up top on here. Let's turn that nasty buzzer off. Right, the rear wheel will spin as I push the throttle. So here we go. It's a friction drive on the rear tyre, which is why you can hear the rubber. Right, press the button for the reverse. I'll put it forward and back into reverse. Forward, up, reverse. Simple as that. So to show it from the top, that's power on. Select whether forward or reverse. There's no indication of which you have. You know it as soon as you push the throttle. There we go. I only need to normally depress it about so far. And reverse. And off. That's it. Now, assuming that I'd finished with parking the bike, I can now disengage the system. It's now disengaged, turn the buzzer off, and I can drive away. It can cope with a slope of about, I'd say, 5% or so. I don't know if you can see it, but there's my driveway, which is quite steep. It'll just about manage that in the forward direction. I haven't tried it in reverse, but I don't think it'd have any problems. Right.